Okay, so today we're going to look at trapeziums and what they look like. Well, a trapezium is a shape that has two parallel sides. Okay, they can be of different length, and then they're just connected up like this. So this is one form of trapezium, perhaps the form a lot of people are most familiar with, but other shapes like this are also trapeziums. Okay, so if you see that, that's a trapezium still. And then what's the perimeter of a trapezium? Well, we tend to call this side A, this B, and if you know these sides, let's call them L. And in this example, they're going to be the same size, but here they're going to be different size. So here we've got L and L. Here we've got A, B. Call this H and L for height. And on this triangle, because we're going to need it later, this side here is H. Okay, it's not a side, but you get the point. That's the height of the trapezium. And just like with all perimeter, we just add up all the sides, so that gives us the perimeter. So for this shape, it will be A plus B plus 2L. Here it would be A plus B plus L plus H. Okay, nice and simple. The area of one of these shapes, well, let's draw a new one. And it doesn't matter which form of trapezium we get the same area. So this time, these are slightly different sides, but this is A, B. And essentially we're trying to find the area inside the shape. And the formula for area is 1/2 A plus B times H. And what is this really finding? Well, 1/2 of A plus B is the average of A and B. So let's draw that on. So that is some sort of length here, that from here to here, that's 1/2 A plus B, say. Okay, I've drawn it on a little bit poorly, it probably stops a bit more like here. And then when we times that by height, the perpendicular height's this line going up here, well, that's just the area of this rectangle. And it turns out that this segment here and this segment here will cancel each other out, and we get the area. But that's beside the point, a bit beyond it. All you need to know really is that this is the area. If you are interested, maybe a bit older when you come into this, I do have a proof on my main channel on why we get this formula. Yeah, but that requires a little bit more knowledge of geometry, but still, for now, just remember this formula, because I'm pretty sure there'll be a question on it at some point in the exam where this is required. And moving forward, as you get older and older, onto GCSE level and such, like higher GCSE level, you'll need to know this formula for the area of trapezium as well. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.